Ever wondered how to take your videos from just okay to absolutely stunning? In today's video, we're diving into the magic of AI video upscaling, where your average footage gets a major quality boost with just a few clicks, making it sharper, clearer, and more professional. No fancy equipment needed. So, what exactly is AI video upscaling? It's kind of like image upscaling in a way. Just think of it as giving your video a visual upgrade. The AI technology will analyze your footage, fill in the gaps, and enhance the details to make your video look like it was shot in a higher resolution and making it look a lot better. But why should you bother with upscaling? Well, clearer videos mean a better viewer experience. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or your website, upscaling helps your videos look more professional and engaging. Plus, it's a great way to future-proof your content as screen resolutions continue to improve. Wondering how it works? AI upscaling tools use advanced algorithms to analyze each frame of your video. They enhance the resolution, improve sharpness, and even reduce noise. The result? A video that's not just bigger, but better. I just call it AI magic. Alright, so time for a demonstration. We're inside vmake.ai. First, you'll need to sign up if you don't have an account yet. You can sign in using Google or Facebook, so it's pretty quick and easy. Let me log in real quick. Now, when you create a new account, vMake gives you 5 free credits to try out their tools. That means you can get started right away without spending a cent. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that vMake offers several tools for both videos and images. But for today, we're only using the video enhancer. Now, let's get to the fun part, upscaling a video. You can either click to upload or drag and drop your file right into the tool. And once the upscaling is done, the enhanced version will appear right beside it. The process doesn't take long depending on the length of your video. Once it's finished, you'll see the difference immediately. The enhanced version looks a lot sharper and clearer. Then, you can download the upscaled video for just 2 credits, and they'll save to your computer. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It only takes a second, and your support helps us keep bringing you more AI-powered tips and tricks. Now back to the content. vMake isn't just about video upscaling. They've got a bunch of other cool tools, like a watermark remover, background remover, and more. So if you're curious about what else you can do, take a few minutes to explore their offerings. And there you have it. Upscaling your videos with vMake is quick, easy, and can really make a difference in your final product. So now you know about another cool AI tool to help you make your content better. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or even just personal projects, having higher quality videos can make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.